how to fix Facebook identity problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix and solve these problems. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when you open settings, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down and you will go to Facebook. And on Facebook guys, you will go to storage and go to clear data and click OK, and now your problem will solve. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.